Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn capital alphabets. Okay, let's introduce the some color pencils. These are all the color pencils: blue color, purple color, black color, green color, sky blue color, ash color, red color, brown color, orange color, yellow color, green color and pink color. Let's write red color A. A for apple. Orange color B. B for ball. Light green color C. C for cat. Pink color D. D for dog. Green color E. E for elephant. Yellow color F. F for fish. Brown color G. G for goat. Grey color H. H for hat. Sky blue color I. I for Independence Day. Black color J. J for jar. Purple color K. K for kite. Blue color L. L for lion. Pink color M. M for monkey. Red color N. N for nest. Green color O. O for ox. Orange color P. P for pig. Brown color Q. Q for queen. Light green color R. R for rose. Black color S. S for sunflower. Ash color T. T for 10. Blue color U. U for umbrella. Pink color V. V for van. Black color W. W for wonder. Light green color X. X for Xerox. Orange color Y. Y for yellow. Yellow color Z. Z for zebra. Let's learn alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, bye kids.